Card Recovery is a leading software to recover lost photos and videos from camera or phone memory cards. Do you lost your photos and videos? Don't panic.
I deleted my pictures accidentally. My memory card was formatted by mistake. My card was corrupted, or has an error message.
You may download Card Recovery software, and it will scan your memory card, preview the lost pictures, and save them. Your lost pictures are recovered. That is easy and fast.
What do I need for the recovery?
You need a PC or Mac computer. Also, it is better to have a memory card reader if your computer does not have a card reader slot. Card Recovery has a very high success rate and support most data loss situations. Card Recovery software is the leading memory card recovery software in the market for over 10 years and have millions of happy users.